Hi, in this video we will show you how to select different tamping profiles for your PUQ press. Start with holding the set button for 5 seconds until P0 will appear on the display. Scroll through the tamping profiles by using the plus and minus button. You will find a sticker underneath your ground basket that shows you all your available tamping profiles. You can choose between speedy, precise, soft, Hulk, and single tamp. Choose your desired tamping profile and confirm with the set button. When it's set, the display will show the tamping pounds or kilograms. To set up an easily accessible second tamping profile, simply press the tamping profile switch. You can now set the tamping pounds or kilograms of the alternative profile. Confirm by pressing the tamping profile switch. To access the secondary profile during operation, simply press the tamping profile switch. The PUQ press will tamp with the secondary profile applied, indicated by the red light. Let's tamp.